my first time to React Day Berlin, and I absolutely love it. I've met so many amazing people, from people I know from tech Twitter but never met them in person.
I like the place, the venue is awesome, but what I like the most is the community, all the people that gather around to talk about React.
The atmosphere here is great. Everybody's really excited. I didn't know that people were this passionate about React and kind of front-end development and JavaScript in general, but I'm glad to see it.